Hello my peoples, I apologize for the last video not having any sound. That was a mistake on my end. So, we're going to do this video. My bestie's not in this video. He's sick, even though he was sick yesterday, but he's more sick today. So, I have a nickname for you guys. You have to tell me what you think in the comments. I'm going to start the videos off with, "Hi my peeps. I don't care. Peeps is your nickname." So, let's start. Now, since I have no idea how to speed this video up, you're going to see everything. And now, I usually do more villainous characters, but I'm going to go on another server, like in-game, you know, these. Because, why not? I'm just gonna find a server with a lot of people on it. And as you can see, I'm recording this pretty late. That seems interesting. We'll do this. Okay, we got on the server. And if any of you have ideas for how to edit or editing platforms that are good, I would appreciate that. Now I'm going to give some advice for how I make my characters. For the egg, personally, what I do is I pick a base color first, obviously, and let's do dark red. Now we're going to go to textures. I have VIP if you can't tell. Now, for those who don't have VIP, you're stuck with these 6 up top, if I'm not mistaken. And that sucks. But not everyone has Roblox. I'm like at 100. You have to basically visualize what your character wants to look like. I'm going for more of a lava character. So you have to go back up here and fix that. I'm gonna go here. We don't need any of that. Now here. Most of you will not have this because you don't have VIB. Very important bird if you can't tell. So you can just skip this part if you don't have it. What you do is you pick what you want, and then what fits your character best. Now this is what you do. So, okay, let's do this, peoples. Oh, blah, blah, blah. I get it, this is on everyone. Alright, people, so annoying. I get it's necessary, but oh my god. I am a creature. I'm going to hatch. Now, what do we want to hatch into, people? Tell me in the comments what your favorite animal is, because I want to know. We're going to be a falcon. Oh, this is the question. What do I want to be? I'm going to be this one. So, now I'm going to show you this. Now, the eyes pull everything together for me, so as going on theme with my egg, we're going let's do a red eye. Red eyes. And I'm gonna go that advanced. And this makes it much easier. Just go in here, you can get a more specific color, unless the basic colors have what you want. That's not really my business. If it does, it does. No one can tell you otherwise. It's your character, and you can make it exactly how you want to make it. So I will show you what my character looks like at the end. So the host is going to add another rule. He's asking us what we should add. I don't know. So I just put IDK in the chat. Because of violence. Ba-do-ba-do-ba. And this video is going to be shorter since I'm clipping out most of the bowling parts. Watch this. For those who have never played this game, this is a Feather Family. And the VIB is, I think, 100 something, somewhere in the hundreds. If you guys are wanting to know. Ooh, fish. Watch, I'm a good hunter. Yoink. See? I'm a great hunter. That's interesting. Ancient rule. Now, I'm going to add more to my bio. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I left the mic muted. Basically, the ancient rule is purple. I wanted it black. But, oh my god. I will tell you guys when something interesting happens. We only have one tamer, guys. Like, that's absolutely horrendous. More people be tamers. The amount of mistakes in this video already is sad. But I'm getting used to this, so. Attack. I am an adult bird. What the fuck? Yeah. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Sir, are you okay? You good? Oh god, he is attacking me. Yeah, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna casually go into the den. Because why not? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do about it? Huh? What are you gonna do? Haha. Miss me, bit. Miss me. Haha. Loser. Now, are there any tamers? Jesus. Oh, I better be able to. Oh my god. Let's find this tamer. Okay, people, I'm back. Oh, that's sad. Hello, person. You are tamer. Oh, that was loud. Well, this video is mainly just for me to try and get better at it, because this is hard. This is kind of hard. Trying to keep you guys entertained while making this video is kind of hard, because I'm more of a silent gamer with a random angry little spot. You're cool looking. I like you. You're cool looking. Can someone try and take... I'm leaving. This is boring, because... Like, so boring. Let's do modern realism. That sounds fun. My heart beats for you, so listen close. Okay, peeps. We're back. Now we're getting in. Oh my god, I do not care at all. I've seen this thing a million times. Oh god, peeps. There, finally. What? Oh, I'm gonna become a raven. Raven. Where's the raven? Raven. There we go. 8 balls. Oh, this one might just be as long. Well, I'm gonna be a giant. Because why not? Okay, I'm a raven. Hello. Hello. I'm Flap. My eyes are so hard to see. Oh god. I'm gonna crash. Oof. Remember, people, birds can't see windows. Da-da. I think I'm gonna leave this video right here because, I'm bored. I'm pretty sure you guys probably never made it here, but for the ones that did, say in the comments. Let's see. Say in the comments that you think birds are smart. Yeah. See ya, peeps.